Natural remedy for sore throat and cough. Welcome. If you're battling a sore throat or persistent cough, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective natural remedy using just two power-packed ingredients, ginger and honey. Ginger acts as an anti-inflammatory, soothing your airways, while honey brings natural antibacterial goodness. Here's what you'll need: 1 tablespoon of pure honey, a small piece of fresh ginger, and half a cup of hot water. For an extra zing, add the juice of half a lemon. Let's get brewing. Start by boiling half a cup of water. It's that easy. Add in the grated ginger and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's slightly cooled, stir in the honey until it fully dissolves. Don't forget the optional lemon juice for a flavor boost. Drink this twice daily, once in the morning and again at night for up to 5 days. Just a heads up, avoid giving honey to kids under 1 and consult a doctor if the cough persists. Try this remedy and let us know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more great natural remedies.